Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Real World English segment right here on the Talk Lisa channel. I'm your host, Alex. You've been studying English for years, but do you truly feel confident stepping out into the real world? Why is it that so many people excel at grammar yet find themselves frozen when simply ordering a cup of coffee or asking for directions? Today, Talk Lisa is taking you on a special role-play journey. We've prepared 10 of the most common everyday scenarios that anyone might encounter. In each scene, we'll be joined by Lisa, who will show us exactly how English flows in its most natural way. Without further ado, let's kick off our journey to mastering English right now.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Certainly. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
A medium, please. Also, could I have that with oat milk instead of regular milk?
Of course. Oat milk latte. Would you like that hot or iced?
I'll take it hot, please. And could you make it a bit less sweet with just 1 pump of vanilla syrup?
Got it. Medium, oat milk, hot, 1 pump of vanilla. Anything else for you today? Maybe a pastry?
That chocolate croissant looks good. I'll take one of those too.
Great. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. That'll be $8.50 altogether. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
Card, please. Here you go.
Thank you. You can swipe or chip right here. Your latte will be ready at the end of the counter in a few minutes.
Thanks. Also, what's the Wi-Fi password here, just in case?
It's Coffee Lover 2023, all one word.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the Grand Plaza Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hello. I have a reservation under the name Lisa Nguyen for 2 nights.
Let me check that for you. Yes, I see it here. Lisa Nguyen for a deluxe queen room, checking out on Friday. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. I know I'm a bit early. My check-in time isn't until 3 p.m., but is it possible to check in now?
Let me see if your room is clean. I'm sorry, Ms. Nguyen. Your specific room isn't ready yet.
No problem. Can I at least leave my luggage here while I go out?
Absolutely. We can store it in the luggage room for you. Also, would you be interested in upgrading to a suite for an additional $50 a night? It has a better view.
No, thank you. The queen room is fine. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is complimentary and served in the lobby restaurant from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here is your room key and our local guide map. We'll notify you when your room is ready.
Great. Thank you for your help.